Hey everybody, Yoga Steve. Welcome back to our Yoga Basics Learn a Yoga Pose series. Now the last pose that we did in our series was butterfly pose. It was upright as opposed to Supta Baddha Konasana, which is reclined butterfly. And we're going to do half butterfly, and it's pretty much what you may think it is. So let's go ahead and get set up. So we're going to turn our legs toward the top of the mat. Now we're going to set up in butterfly like we did before. So let's bring the feet and the heels closer to the body, okay? Now we're gonna leave the right leg just where it is. And we're gonna take our left leg out at roughly, we'll call it a 45-degree angle, okay? Now both heels are active, so we're kicking out through the heels and we're pulling the toes back. So we're opening up this right hip. And very simply, we inhale up. And then exhale, just fold over the right foot. Now, depending on how tight or loose you are, you may come down onto your hands, you may drop down onto your forearms, and you may even walk your hands out even further so you can lengthen further down the mat, okay? So I would drop down, normally I just drop down onto my forehead, or down on my forearms, let my chin go toward my chest, and then my forehead go down toward the mat. All right. Now in this pose, if you would feel your left buttock start to lift up, so you're starting to shift weight more to the right, you would literally just either come up a little bit so get the weight back, or press your arm, your forearm, in this case my right forearm or my right hand, I'd press it into the mat and then just shift a little bit of weight back. So in a nutshell, we would do the left side and then the right, or do the right side and do the left. But that's half butterfly, all right? So either side, click for the next pose in the series. And then of course, Yoga Foundations, we're gonna continue working on that and getting that ready for you. So we'll do a full pose breakdown, again, talking about the muscle groups, and then maybe a couple of different tips or tricks or options in each pose. Thanks for joining me. I'm Yoga Steve. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.